If you live in San Jose or any of its neighboring towns, chances are you live within 10 to 15 miles of a brewing company.
And the one we're checking out today is Loma Brewing Company here in Los Gatos. Go grab a beer.
All right, Dan Reinecke, thank you very much for joining us on the scene.
Totally.
So why do you think craft beer has exploded in the U.S., particularly more in the Bay Area?
I think people are they care about what they drink and eat more. I think it's directly related to the farm-to-table movement.
Right.
In 5-10 years, there'll be another lager influx.
My favorite beer, I would say, is the Appeasement IPA. It's a little bit floral, a little bit citrusy, not too overpowering, but still has that bitter hoppiness to it.
Not the Greek God of Hops.
That's another seller, but it's more of a commitment for someone. That's a 9% alcohol.
Are you kidding? Greek God of Hops, man. It's all good. Greek God of Hops, man. This place is off the hook.
So somebody that might be chased away by the higher alcohol.
Right.
Just 7%. It's pretty standard, very well-balanced IPA.
Yeah.
It won gold at the California State Fair last year. So obviously, Warren does a great job in there. He makes an IPA for everybody, which is great.
With all the breweries in the Bay Area, what kind of sets Loma apart from the rest?
We bring a different, more classic style of beer to Silicon Valley.
Yeah.
Also, we have a coffee shop here. We have an event space. We have a chef that really knows what she's doing back there. Our brewer he makes great beer. So kind of all the pieces. There's something for everyone. You can come here on a date. You can come here with a group of people after work. You can come here and have a cup of coffee in the back and leave at 9 in the morning. There's literally something for everyone.
What's your favorite beer?
I love the Kolsch.
Appeasement.
Appeasement.
Yeah.
And that's all.
No second favorite.
No second beer, just appeasement.
One of the best IPAs I've had. Cheers.
What's your favorite dish here at Loma?
Every dish?
Appeasement. I really like the War and Peas Kolsch. I'm obsessed with the mushroom flatbread.
I really like the Appeasement IPA. I think I have to say the mushroom flatbread.
It's appeasement. This is no oranges allowed though, so trying something new.
Yay area? The Yay area?
And the Loma, the best pizzas, like 3 cheese pizzas, really good.
Right now I like the wheat beer, American wheat, no oranges allowed.
Aubrey Arndt, thank you very much for joining the scene.
You're welcome.
How long have you been here with Loma?
Since the beginning.
What were some of the biggest challenges for you kind of getting everything together, getting the menu set, for the people here, within the Bay Area?
So originally we went into it with the idea that everything was going to be all small plates, all shareables, and a little bit more elevated. And what we found is that we have such a large facility that we have a large clientele base.
What is your favorite craft beer? And then what is your favorite craft beer here?
Okay. That's a hard question. I think my favorite beer, I'm from Michigan, so
Oh, okay.
It's a little bit different, but my favorite beer of all time is Oberon by Bell's Brewery out of Michigan. It's like a wheat and it's seasonal, and we always get it sent out here every year.
Really?
Yeah, and Warren knows that beer too. He loves Bell's beer too. So, and then of Warren's beers, so I like the Kolsch a lot, and I like the we don't have any more, but the Black Lager.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in regards to the menu, how often do you change the food up? How often are you looking to change the menu here at Loma?
We change it seasonally, so 4 times. We just went through a change about maybe 2 months ago, so for the winter change. Some stuff always stays. The nachos that are on have been, once I put them on, I would never be able to take them off. And I love them. So
Yeah.
Great. But any of the stuff that has seasonal produce on it, or even sometimes with the meat, we change out seasonally.
Okay.
And almost everything I get is local.
My favorite dish is probably the fried chicken sandwich. Tastes like home. She makes a nice homemade fried chicken sandwich, crispy
Nice.
crust. Yeah.
So you guys are pretty much farm to table here at Loma?
Yeah, absolutely.
So final question for you. What's your favorite thing about working here at Loma?
My favorite thing is that the kitchen is my family. That so many of them have came with me from previous restaurants, and so I've had the opportunity to bring them along to my next endeavor. And everybody that we keep adding to the team has really helped grow the family together. So it's not like a job that you go and you're like, oh, I hate everybody. I go in and I love everybody that I work with, and it's a different day every day, and it's exciting and fun in the kitchen. So, yeah.
Well, Aubrey Arndt, thank you very much for joining the scene. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
I think that in any business, restaurant, or hospitality, the most important export is the people.
Yeah.
I mean, and you can go get a beer anywhere.
Yep.
You can get a burger anywhere. But if you create an environment that makes people feel welcome, that's ultimately my goal.
San Jose or any of its neighboring towns.
So, you are brain dead today, and welcome to the scene. That was so dumb.
I didn't want to over.